Everyone online is telling you how to make money. Scroll Instagram or YouTube and everyone has a best system. And yes, I'm also making a video about money. So let's clear that up right now. My goal isn't Lamborghinis or mansions. It's stability and freedom. Being able to take care of yourself and your family without feeling stressed or trapped. I'll be honest with you. I don't like working hard just to work hard. Long hours don't automatically mean success. I want effort to make sense. I want systems. I want leverage. I want to do something once and have it work again and again. Good news, that's normal today, if you understand how the game works. Most people are playing the wrong game. They chase methods, not systems. Online, you'll see big numbers everywhere. Revenue screenshots and dashboards. But here's the truth. Revenue is not profit. Revenue doesn't mean freedom. It doesn't mean peace of mind. What matters is how much you keep and how much effort it takes. A business that needs constant attention isn't freedom. It's just another job. Real freedom's from high rich income. In that today you stop when you day, not endless manual work. There are many ways to make money online. Most are risky or saturated. Crypto isn't guaranteed. Drop shipping isn't easy. Most people skip the basics, and that's where they fail. The basics are simple: traffic, trust, and conversion. This is why systems matter more than methods. They work easier when you're archived on day one. You don't need to be an expert. Just position yourself between a problem and a solution. Let's stop chasing methods, start building systems. Systems don't get tired, and smart systems always beat hard work. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.